everyone, welcome back to my channel, jays.creative.space. Today I have another haul for you, and this time it's a Dollar Tree haul. Before I get started with the haul, you know I gotta take a moment to welcome you back. Hey, and if you're new, welcome. If you are new and wondering what we do here, we do crafts, hauls, and DIYs. And with that said, let's get into this Dollar Tree haul. On this channel, I'm only going to be showing like home decor and crafty items, but I still have my Flamingo Finds Instagram account, and that's where I'll show the things that I do find that are like good deals, but not like home decor or crafts like the soap or what else have I found? Cereal, books, all that stuff will be on my Instagram page at Flamingo Finds. So just in case you're interested in that. So the first thing, I guess I'll start with the wooden crafts first. And the first thing I have is this cute bunny butt. I don't know why, but for the past few Easters, bunny butts have been in style. So I think it's cute. And then they sell the big pom-pom that you could put on here if you can find it. I couldn't find it, but still cute. But still cute. Next thing I have is this carrot, and I don't remember seeing this. It may be a repeat item, but I haven't seen it in my stores. And if you don't like this side, you can just flip it over and use this side. I think I grabbed two of these. The next thing I have are these Easter baskets, and I know this is a repeat item. I wasn't able to find one last year, so I was able to find one this year. I'm actually going to cut this letter out. They only have like, I think maybe 8 or 9 letters. They don't have all the alphabet, which I don't understand that, but I'm just going to cut this out and put something else in the middle when I do my little craft with this. Next I have, and I think this is new. This is like 3 eggs together, and I think this is so cute. I was so happy to find this, and I love the daisies. The daisies remind me of like back when I was in high school, which they're actually coming back in style. This daisy print was on everything. But anyway, this is just these cute little eggs. And next I found this Easter egg, like a bunny, and I do have some little pom-poms I'm going to put for his little butt, but I'm going to probably paint over the zigzag lines. I don't really care for that. But here's the back if you just want it to be plain, but I'm definitely going to paint that cute bunny. Maybe put a bow on his little bunny neck. And I'm sorry if y'all hear some noises in the background, but my kids are home after school, and this is the only time I had to film, so sorry about that. So the next thing I got are some Wreath Forms, and this isn't Easter, but it's still cute. I have never, let me move so you can see, but I've never seen this Wreath Form, and I was only able to find one. I'm going to find 2 more because I think this would be cute for the 4th of July. But even if I just use this one, this will still be cute. Next, I grabbed 2 of these Easter egg forms, and I'm going to move so that you can see. These are a pretty good size. You can see compared to my head how big they are, but I definitely made sure I grabbed 2 of these. And I also found this. This is my favorite one, this little bunny head. So cute. So I made sure I grabbed 2 of these. I got these tinsel bunnies. I was about to say Easter bunnies because to me I'm going to use them as Easter bunnies, and you can take them apart because they're just on this ring if you want to craft with like 3 separate bunnies, but I'll probably leave them together, but we'll see when I start crafting. So this is a repeat item, and it's just Easter egg garland, and their eggs are made out of styrofoam, as you can see, and they have sequins, no, not sequins, but glitter on there, and they have the beads. I don't know if I'll leave it like this though. I'm pretty sure I'll craft with this. Next, I got these cute little letters, and I got an A and I found a B. But once again, they don't have a lot of the letters. They have a limited amount of letters. I wanted to get like an H and an O and a P, but I just got these. I thought about using them on Easter baskets, but I'll probably just decorate them and set them around as Easter decor. And next, I got these cute eggs. They have like blue, well I got blue but they have yellow and purple, but I just got blue and pink because I just like these 2 colors together. Next I have these Styrofoam eggs, and there's 6 of them in the pack, and they're a pretty good size. They're like a medium size, so these are really good crafting possibilities. The next Styrofoam little crafting thing I got are these little bunnies. I thought these were so cute. Here they are upside down. I'm going to open them so you can see. So here it is at the pack, and these are so cute. They're so adorable. I don't know if these are new, but this is the first time I've seen them in my store, so I definitely made sure I think I grabbed 2 packs of these. This Styrofoam bunny, I already took the top off so I can open it, but I'm pretty sure that this is new. I don't remember seeing any big Styrofoam bunnies like this last year, so I just grabbed one of these because I'm not sure what I'll do with it yet, but I'll figure it out. And I also grabbed these basket bags. I grabbed them to make the Easter baskets with, but I'm not sure. I hope they get Easter printed basket bags, but just in case, I grabbed these clear ones, and they come 2 to a pack, so I grabbed 2 packs of these. I also found these felt stickers, and I got these eggs. I got grabbed a pack of the eggs, and I also grabbed a pack of the carrots. They have more of these little felt stickers, but I just grabbed these two. To me, they look the best, and I'm gonna probably use these in like different crafting swaps and things like that. Next, I have this really pretty Mardi Gras mask. There you go. I think I may have shown this in another haul before, but I'm not quite sure. But I did grab another one because I want to make a Mardi Gras wreath. Well, I say I'm going to make it, but we'll see. I'm running out of time. And I also found this sign. I thought this was so cute. And I don't normally decorate for Mardi Gras, but I grabbed this sign. So I don't know why. But I guess because I like the way it's made in the black and white. And look how sturdier. I've noticed that since Dollar Tree's gone up, a lot of their signs like this have been really, really sturdy. I don't know. Is that just me? Have y'all noticed how much more sturdier the signs have gotten? I also grabbed this, and there's a bunny cutout in this. And they have been putting these out for each season. I think this is the first time I actually grabbed one. And this is really, it looks like it's wood. I don't know if it actually is, but they did a good job of making it look like it if it's not. So I definitely had to grab one of these. They also had a light blue one with the Easter egg cutout, but I really liked the bunny. I thought it was really sweet. The only spring item I was able to find in my store is this one. And I definitely thought, okay, this could make a really pretty wreath. The flowers would be a cute like Mother's Day wreath. If I could get them to stay still. But this, look at this. How cute. I hope they make a bigger version of this, because I would love something like this in the middle of a wreath, but bigger. So next I have a couple of Valentine's Day items. I thought I was done with Valentine's Day, but I just got these treat bags, and there's 25 in here. And I got these for my daughter's class, and this is just what they look like. Here's the bag, and they come with these little twisty ties. But this is what I'm gonna do for her Valentine's Day party, if they have one, because right now we're not sure if they may even have one. And I got these cute heart-shaped balloons to go in there. I got some other like little candies and stuff to go in there too. And next I grabbed these all pineapple Haribo Gold Bears. I just thought I'd share these with you in case you're like me and you like the pineapple gummy bear. To me is the best gummy bear in the pack. And the fact that they had a whole pack of pineapple gummy bears was like, what? But like I said, I haul and I see food and just other things at Dollar Tree all the time. So if you want to see those items that I don't show in here, just check out my Instagram page at Flamingo Finds. That's where you'll find things that maybe I don't buy, but it's still like a good deal, and I show, or things that I do buy because I'm doing more of my hauls like this on my Instagram page. Well, that was the end of this haul, and I will see you next time, next craft, next haul. Bye.